Where to go? In Manila. Manila is a city where history and modern life come together. We'll start by exploring the Mine Museum, then step back in time with a quick visit to Intramuros, the city's iconic wall torches. Ready, set, explore! Hello guys! Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again, and right now for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Mine Museum. I've been here na before, kasama yung sister ko tsaka yung anak ko. Kaso lang ngayon, I'm with my cousins, galing silang Cebu, at dito kami sa BGC, sobrang maulan. So, wala kaming magawa, nadaanan namin to. So, pumasok na lang kami. So, ayan. So, tara, samahan nyo kami dito. And, so, 9 AM bukas na sila. So, itong pass namin, it's 625 pesos per person. Pero, since we book via Klook, 600 pesos na lang. So, nakasave kami 25 pesos each. So, tara, let's go. Andun na sila sa loob. So, ayan. This is so cute. Pagpasok mo dito sa Universe Gallery, para kang bumababa mula sa spaceship diretso sa kalawakan. You'll see the stars, planets, at galaxies na parang umiikot lang sa paligid mo. Wala, hindi sila mahanap. Iniwan na ako. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa, Under the Galaxy. Hindi ko sila mahanap. Asan sila? Oh! Feeling ko umakyat. So, this is how it looks like. Sobrang mag-e-enjoy yung dito, family nyo. If you have, like, kids in the family, they will truly enjoy this one. And the refresher na din para sa mga adult. Ano to? Sounds of the Universe. Let's go in. Sound of the universe. Scary. Scary sound. Baka nasa taas na sila. Let's go up. The light bridge. Hindi naman nag-light yung bridge. Tumunog. Piano. Grabe, sobrang saya dito. Every step may sound. Parang napapiano ako using my feet. Nakakatuwa kasi even kids or adults, lahat mag-e-enjoy dito. Welcome to Mine Museum. This place is one of the coolest science museums in the Philippines, and I am so excited to take you around. As soon as you walk in, you'll see interactive exhibits everywhere. It's not your typical museum where you just look. Here, you actually experience science. Pangarap ko maging astronaut dati. Naalala ko ng grade 5 ako, sabi ko sa teacher ko, when I grow up, I wanna be an astronaut. So, ilalagay namin yung face namin dyan. Nalagay na nila yung kanila. So, para malagay, ayan, magte-take ka ng photo here. Sige, let's take a photo. Ayan. Okay na ba yan, pang astronaut? Photo sent. Go find your picture. Ayan. Hala, hanapin natin yung mukha ko. Saan ako? Ayun ako! Ayun ako sa baba! Ayun! Ah! Paano? Paano ko ayun? Hala! Hala! Layo na po! Ayun ako! Kung gusto nyo rin ma-feel na astronaut kayo, try this spot. Ang cool ng technology, instant space trip on screen. I think almost every kid, especially those who grew up in the 90s, dream of being an astronaut. Present! Descending from the halo orbit of Gateway down to a low lunar orbit. Descending from low lunar orbit. Punta kami sa ng dinosaur. Sa malaking dinosaur. Ito. Ano to? There is a town siya man. Masasa din siya. Ay! Tangkad na ko, uy. Ako. Oh, mind your head, nagbasa. Ano? Mubuto ni, oh. Ayun, pwede mamusaka. Rar. Meet the T-Rex, one of the most famous dinosaurs in history. Dito sa Mind Museum, makikita mo siya in full size para ma-imagine mo how massive they really were millions of years ago. Peanut wood. Dinosaur. Punta tayo sa sa piano.
So, if we step ka ting-ting.
Ah!
Ano na nagsigtingog?
Oo. Puspos ka Juan!
Grabe nga din naman!
Porcupine!
Si RJ!
Porcupine!
Oh my God! Monster!
Hello! Ever wonder bakit tumatayo ang buhok mo dito? It's because of static electricity. Yung machine naglalagay ng extra electric charges sa body mo. At since lahat ng buhok mo may same charge, they push each other away. Kaya ayan, instant hair salon treatment. Ito talaga, grabe. Test of patience and concentration. One wrong move, ang ingay. Talo ka na agad. Say hi! Explain pa, Jude.
Pero hindi po talaga ganito yung mukha natin.
Oh, Tagalog activated. Dito na kami. Sa Teo, Tagalog na sila. Dito na kami sa taas. Ano naman meron dito? Second floor. Kalimutan ko na. Ay, diri na may slow motion diri ni Carly. I got meatball pasta. May lalabas sa yung mga info about the meatball pasta. This one naman sobrang cool din kasi parang instant nutrition tracker. Sana meron din ganito sa mga fast food natin para alam agad natin kung healthy ba yung o-orderin natin. Glowing red, alive, and unstoppable. Lava is Earth showing its raw power, and here I get to walk on it safely. Look at this harp, no strings attached literally. Just wave your hands through the beams and you can play music.
You are about to experience an earthquake from intensity 4 to intensity 7. Prepare and embrace yourself.
This exhibit lets you experience what an earthquake feels like. Earthquakes happen when the Earth's plates shift, releasing energy that shakes the ground. Science makes you hungry, right? After a fun-filled day at the Mind Museum, our tummies needed their own adventure. We ended it the best way possible with unlimited samgyeopsal. may libis. Bagsak na yung isa. Natulog na yung isa. Saan yung isa? Ay, gising na pala. Gising pala siya. Ayan. So, hindi na kami nag-McKinley kasi medyo maulan. Ayan. Nandito na sila sa Airbnb nila. So, this is their cozy hub. Ay. Ayan. Nag-arsa na siya. Unsa na yung gi-arsa. Hello. Ayan. So, this is their cute home. Ah, pero cute no kung ikaw magpuyo ba? Living alone, diaries. No? Ay, sure.
Sabi mo yung tali mo.
Oh, cute. Girl, may mga free salt, pepper, sugar. Ayun na. Free snacks, guys! Ubusin namin. Ayan. Kasi, sa tagal ko nag-Airbnb, bihira lang talagang may mga ganito. Meron man, minsan yung mga naiiwan lang ng mga dating nagstay. Mga naiiwang oil. Ayan, may Nespresso machine pa sila. Salted caramel! Ay! Creamy vanilla! Oh, how to lang. Hala, in fairness naman sa Ilapod. Tapos, meron silang 2 pods. Oh. Yun, tanan. Abri ang rep! Pasagdiin! Ilakit ba ya siya sa gilid? Lagyan, ganito na yung ang rainbow! From museum to history, our Manila tour continues. Welcome to Intramuros, the historic heart of the city where every street tells a story. Hi everyone! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Intramuros and sinamahan ko yung mga pinsan ko. Napukapunta na ako dito, pero sila lang sinamahan ko. Nandito kami sa taas ng Barbara. So, bala gusto nila makita yung Intramuros and thank God the weather is good. So, I cannot really tour you around kasi medyo quick lang kami dito. Parang silip-silip lang sila. Ayun, pwede ka magsilip there. Then, yan yung Barbara. And then, eto. So, dito kasi kumain na kami. So, ayan yung air itsura. Barbara's Heritage Restaurant. It is a Filipino restaurant in Intramuros, Manila that celebrates Philippine culture and cuisine. It's famous for traditional Filipino dishes like adobo, kare-kare, and paella. It also has Spanish colonial era ambience with antique furnishings and old-world architecture. It also has cultural shows in the evenings featuring Filipino folk dances and music. Basically, it's a place to eat, experience Filipino heritage, and enjoy a cultural show all in one. Next up, Casa Manila. Built in the 1800s during the Spanish colonial period, this museum gives us a glimpse of how wealthy Filipino families lived back then. So, papasok kami ngayon sa museum. I think may entrance fee lang na 75 pesos. So, tingnan natin kung nag-change or hindi. So, we're finally here sa admission ticket ng Casa Manila. So, ilang beses kong pumunta dito. This is my first time na pumasok dito sa Casa Manila. So, let's go. Tingnan natin what's inside. So, ayun na. Paying na si Jessa ng 75 pesos each person. So, excited ako. This is my first time coming here. We are finally going inside. Ano siya? Parang ito yung mga lumang tirahan ng mga unang Pilipino na mga mayayaman. Pero saan ang entrance? Saan mo may magdaan? Hindi mo ito niagi mga Koreano dali na. Very wrong. Hindi namin alam saan ang daan.
Umakyat lang kami bigla. Sinundan namin yung kasabay naming nag-pay na mga Koreano. Dito sila dumaan. Yung pala, sa baba. Oh my God. Yung nagbe-video. Mali. Mali yung entrance. Yung kanina pinuntahan natin, doon pala yung entrance. So let's go. Here yung entrance.
Tara, pasok na tayo sa Casa Manila. Let's check out how Filipinos lived before, the furniture, the rooms, and their lifestyle during the Spanish era. Every room tells a story, from the elegant living areas and the antique furniture to the intricate woodwork and traditional decor. You can really feel the charm and lifestyle of that era. Casa Manila was built to preserve the Spanish colonial architecture and lifestyle in Manila. It's a perfect reminder of our rich heritage and how people lived during that time.
So, ayan, nakalabas na kami. Ang galing, may ano pa, konting trivia pa kami from Kuya. Di bawal kasi may video sa loob. So, yung ref, may ref doon na hindi siya electric. So, ang ginagawa daw before, nag-i-import ng yellow from Boston. Gusto mo yun, nilalagyan daw ng asin para hindi matunaw. And then yung super laking yellow, pagdating dito, maliit na lang siya. Halos kumalahati. So, yung mga mayayaman na tao lang ang nakakagawa, nakaka-afford. Ay, si Joanne. Ay. No, first, second punta ko kasi dito, may kami, tour guide. So, nung una kong punta, makikita nyo din dito sa vlog ko, so you may check. Una kong punta, naka-motor, ay parang padjak kami. Pangalawa, naka-kalesa. So, ayun. So, kaya naman ngayon, walang tour guide. Medyo mahal kasi yung tour guide. So, lakad-lakad na lang kami.
After exploring Casa Manila, we're ready to continue our Manila adventure. Let's see what other stories the city has to offer.
Ayan, available.
So we only accept cash. Ay, gago. Ba't meron kung wala talaga kayong cash? Pwede Maya.
Pwede Gcash. Paymaya. Wala, may Paymaya.
Gano'ng kataas? Ayaw?
Ay, masang. Sa'yo mo na sa
Time for a sweet break. We enjoyed some classic Filipino sorbetes while strolling through the historic streets of Intramuros.
Grabe this day, maulan, mainit. So, tuloy pa rin ang laban. Nandito kami ngayon sa Baluarte de San Diego. So, hindi na ako masyadong nag-video kasi sobrang ulan talaga. And then, I just want to bring them here para makita nila at masulit nila ang kanilang stay here. Mura ni siya diri sang, pero...
Baluarte de San Diego is the oldest fort in Intramuros, Manila. Built in the late 1500s during the Spanish colonial period, it was part of the defensive walls that protected the city from pirates and invaders. From up here, you can see the full maze of tunnels beneath Baluarte de San Diego. Built during the Spanish colonial period, these passages were used for defense, storage, and occasionally to keep prisoners. Over time, it also witnessed historical events involving Filipino revolutionaries, Spanish forces, and later, the Americans. Today, it's partially restored with gardens, walkways, and archaeological sites, making it a popular spot for history lovers, tourists, and photographers.
Android po ba? Or...
Ay, hindi po. Camera po. We're done.
And hanggang dito na muna tayo. Thank you for being with us. See you on the next vlog. Bye!
Third, second Airbnb. Pagod yun? Pagod ka, Josh? Lagay, lipstick ko! Red lipstick lagi ka. Nagla ka nag-red lipstick dyan. Kapoy na ko. Ay, palit ka.
Away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city.